So first, you want to tap on this gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to your Stripe settings. On the account settings, tap on the team and security option. This page will appear and you want to click on the add member button over here. Then start to add the email of the person or your team members that you want to have a role on your account. After that, you might select their roles, whether to be super administrator, which essentially like the owners, or just the admin, or I am admin. Every roles have their own explanation right here. Or if you want to be more specific about what they are doing, you may also scroll down and choose other specific roles like developers roles, payment, support, or others. And after you choose the specific roles, you may click right here on Send Invite button. The invitation will be sent to their email, and as you can see, their current position is on pending invite. They will have to open their own email, for the person or the team members that you invite, and they will see the emails from Stripe and tap on this Join Account button. Then your team members have to log in to their own Stripe account or creating a new one if they do not have any at the moment. And that's it. After that, they were officially a part of your Stripe account team member. Just keep in mind, sometimes when it's the first time you invite another person to your account, the Stripe will insist you to verify that it's a real you by verifying with your email like this, and also using the two-step verification, like the Authenticator application. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.